Hello, welcome back to the channel Awesome Learning. Children, I had to pause the video earlier due to some technical issues, so I'll be continuing the topic here, the electron transport system and oxidative phosphorylation. Here we had completed our portion. The energy released during ETS is utilized to synthesize ATP by ATP synthase, and you also remember ATP synthase in the photosynthesis chapter. We had done this, that ATP synthase has two major components: the F1, that is the head piece, if you remember, and the F0, that is the integral membrane protein, which was present in the membrane. You see, F0 is present in the membrane. So here F1, that is the head piece or the peripheral, because it is outside, so it is called peripheral membrane protein, is the site where actually ATP synthesis will take place from ADP and PI. So this is the place where ADP and PI will get converted into ATP, and F0, which is the integral part of the membrane protein complex, forms a channel. It will give a way, or it will form a channel through which the protons, if you remember, we have done this in proton gradient topic, the protons will cross the membrane. Okay. Cross the inner membrane. Okay, so this is what we had already finished, we have already done. So the passage of protons, when the protons will pass through, is coupled to the catalytic site of the F1 component for ATP. So both the things will be done at the same time. Sorry. The one is the protons will pass, and at the same time ADP and inorganic phosphate will get converted into ATP. So for each ATP produced, if one ATP is produced, 2H plus pass through F0 from the inner, that is intermembrane space, to the matrix down the electrochemical proton gradient. तो एक ATP जब form होता है तो two hydrogen or two protons are passed on, right? So this is what is electron transport system. The whole technique is shown here elaborately in this diagram. You can see and you can just make out and understand. This diagram is very nice and very clear, you can see. So when you study and you look through the diagram, things will be very much easier for all of you, right? Next we will be doing respiration balance sheet in the next video. This is a small one.